Good evening to all of you. My name is Diego Fernando Lopez Vanguero, psychology studying at the National Open and State University and the B1 English course. Today we are going to present task for Let's Talk. Step 3, Let's Talk about your experiences. Option B, video directions. You can make the video recording to the 5 questions previously chosen in step 2. D. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most visited tourist place in my city have been Deep Park del Ingenio, Garo of Tejada, Loma de la Cruz, San Antonio Hill, Pueblito Banks, and the historic center along the Boulevard del Rio Cali. If what was the most amazing activity you did on your street? What did you do? If the most incredible activity is that on my trip to the San Andres Islands is not a visit the aquarium, its coral reefs and snorkel with the most beautiful and colorful fish I have ever seen. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? In Santiago de Cali, my hometown, Mulatto Cavern is the most expensive nightclub I've visited in my life. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention 2. The best things that have happened to me on a trip are taking a boat ride in the middle of the Caribbean Sea and visiting the yacht for the first time with Mariana, the woman I love. What is better, visiting popular tourist destinations or less known tourist destinations? I think it is better to visit all possible tourist destinations from the most popular to the least known, since they all have enriching learning and multicultural experiences. The key is to learn to enjoy any trip. Thanks you very much and see you soon. Bye.